Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a Node.js project in under 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So as usual you will need to download the latest version of Node.js from the nodejs.org website. After this is done, then you can come to your Hyper or any terminal that you are using. So here what you can do is you can just change the directory to the directory where you want to create the project. So let's say I want to create it in this directory, so I will just come to this directory and I will just say npm initialize, or in short npm init, and I will hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see that here I have the option to select a package name. So I will give it a random name, that is JS project. Then I will hit enter, give it a random version like 1.0.0, and description is a tutorial project, and after that entry point is index.js. Test command I will leave it as it is. Git repository I will leave it as it is. Keywords I will enter some keywords like tutorial. Then author will be my name, and finally license will be default. And here is the example of our package.json file that is going to be created. We will just say yes and it is created. If we just say ls, you can see the package.json is created. If we open this in VSCode, you can see here is our package.json file created. Now to use that package.json file, what we can do is we can create a new script.js, or instead we will create an index.js file, and in this we will just console.log something. So we will console.log hello world. Now we want to print this hello world, so what we can simply do is we can say node index.js, and here it prints out hello world. Now we want to access it through our npm start command. So we can come to our package.json file, put an comma right here, and we will say start, and in the start we will just copy this command like this, and we will paste this right here. Now what we can do is when we say npm start, you can see our hello world is executed through node.js or through this package.json file. So this is how you can create a node.js project in under just 5 minutes. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.